some lingering impacts from all of yesterday's rain. We have flood warnings still in effect for the greater Leominster area. In fact, Leominster is under a flash flood warning for part of the morning hours. We've got flood warnings down to Providence and Attleboro as well because of significant rainfall yesterday. We're talking 4 to 8 inches of rain in a lot of those communities, which was catastrophic in some instances. This morning, though, what we have are some spot showers and fog. So it's going to be kind of another misty, murky morning. During the afternoon, I am expecting occasional showers, but nothing that adds up to what we saw yesterday. It's basically hit or miss sprinkles or a few embedded heavier showers today with lots more dry times wedged in there. We're going to go with temperatures in the 70s both today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, weather alert is back for some strong and severe thunderstorms in the afternoon. I'll have the latest on the Boston 25 Morning News until 11 a.m.
And our weather concern on top of everything else now, Hurricane Lee, it's been churning out there for a while, Sheer.
Yeah.
And are we still feeling pretty good about it kind of staying away as much as it can anyway?
Not so much. I have a feeling it's going to stay offshore as far as the center of the storm goes, but I think it's going to be close enough to bring in some impact. So Hurricane Lee is still a Cat 3. Intensity has not changed in the last 24 hours. We've still got 115 mile per hour winds. Passes west of Bermuda on Thursday night. You're going to see that right here, likely as a Category 1 hurricane, and then passes east of us, most likely on Saturday. That track right there is about 125 miles off of Cape Cod. That would be strong enough to bring us rain and some wind as well. The numbers not quite in focus yet as far as the totals or the intensities, but I would plan on some impacts probably starting as early as Friday night. A busy weather day out there today. We're expecting more severe thunderstorms with possible wind damage and an isolated tornado, but of top concern is going to be the rain potential and the likelihood that we see some flooding out there for today. Somewhere like Leominster, which was hit really hard earlier this week, by late morning, thunderstorms and showers return to the region. Attleboro also impacted by that severe flooding earlier in the week, and I'd say by midday we've got some storms out there as well. And anytime we see the purples and the reds on a rainfall forecast map, it denotes the potential for downpours. So we're looking at a widespread ½ an inch to an inch of rain, but some spots could see up to 4 inches of rainfall today, and it's really tough to pinpoint exactly where we're going to get the worst of that weather. So I want you to be ready for storms and downpours, especially this afternoon and during the evening commute. Today, because of that, we do have a weather alert. Quiet Thursday, Friday, but I've got the latest on Saturday impacts from Hurricane Lee on the Boston 25 Morning News until 11 a.m.